Hey guys, what's going on? If you've ever met me, you've heard me talk about one of two things: photography and watches. Well, today it's about watches. We're actually on our way to the Watch Show Finland. It's a big event they hold every year, and there'll be all kinds of presentations and speakers from Finland talking about watches. So I'm really excited about that, and it's also special because I have a new intro that I'm debuting right now.
Steer and 20 seconds stabilization time.
Okay.
Se on vähän läpivää vaan. On käyttänyt vähän aikaa, niin se on kuinka
Oh, pretty good.
I'll take that. I didn't really show it earlier. I'm wearing my Rolex Submariner No Date. So the guy was just telling me that apparently the guy right here in the black over my shoulder is the designer of all of the watches here for this company, and they are the only watch manufacturer in the world that actually assembles the watches in an airport just north of Helsinki. So many watches I would love to buy. So many for sale here, but it's such a good deal. They're giving discounts for all the watches, but I don't know. I'm gonna get myself in trouble if I stick around. Oh my goodness. But some really cool watches. A lot of them made right here in Helsinki. Very cool. day one for the Watch Show Finland. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. And we're back for day two of the Watch Show Finland. We're gonna go watch a presentation on how to take watch pictures, which I do a lot. So let's go check it out. Well, change of plan. Looks like the presentation might be in Finnish only, and I don't understand Finnish. So we're gonna skip it, and we're gonna go look at some more watches.
Spring Drive koneistoja kasaamaan. Tervetuloa. Aina vieressä.
Cool is that to see a Grand Seiko being built right in front of your eyes. And the snowflake one, the one I've been wanting to see for a long time. It's so awesome. It's right here.
GS って書いてないで、グランドセイコーのロゴの金色のマスコットって。
Alright, so yesterday we checked the accuracy of the Rolex Submariner. Today I'm wearing the Omega Speedmaster Professional. We're going to check the accuracy of that one. Yeah, as I suspected, it's running a bit fast, but the guy told me, he said it's a Speedmaster, it has to gain time or else it'd be a slow master. Alright guys, that's going to do it from the Watch Show Finland. My battery's almost dead, so we got to wrap this up, but it was so cool to get to see all the different watches and see a Grand Seiko actually being assembled in person by a guy from the factory. How cool is that? So, super cool show. Glad I came and met a lot of cool people. So, anyways, thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time on the next adventure. Bye.